Yeah, so we are a contract manufacturing facility for innovative cosmetics. We excel in doing what not a lot of people are doing at the moment, particularly Korean skincare. The company's name is Dermat India, and as you can see behind me, we are very innovative in one-time use or sampler packaging available, which we are gonna launch soon in the country with a few brands. The one problem which we are enjoying solving right now is, let's say people, there are a lot of founders who get products from Korea or France or anywhere in the world, and they're not able to source the ingredients, or they're not able to find the person who can manufacture the product with a very good innovative ingredients. So whenever they come to us and they see us, we already have that in our portfolio. uh, People become really happy, and we enjoy seeing that smile on their face that finally they've reached the right place where they can get the product that they want. Yes, we started with pharmaceuticals. We started with manufacturing of pharmaceuticals almost 15 years back. And from day one, we've just focused on one category, that is skincare, dermatology. And we've not shifted and not focused on any other category in even pharma, supplements, or cosmetics. We have worked with a lot of brands after exhibiting in the CMPL. But one I would like to mention is so the person who have become like a family, very nice. You feel good to meet those kinds of person. And that particular brand, I would say, is Mr. Piyush Jain from Skin Inspired. I met him in CMPL. I think we really connected as a person more than just a customer or a buyer. And I look forward to working with him because I really like him as a person rather than just making products for him. That's a connection that I really value from CMPL. Yes, so we have exhibited in multiple exhibitions. We have visited almost 15 types of exhibitions. What we like about CMPL is it's a platform just for the contract manufacturing and not other things like other exhibitions. It's just focused on one thing and it's doing that well. That one word would be immaculate execution of the entire project or the exhibition. So yeah, so I would like to thank the founder, Mr. Vicky, for this. So when we first entered, I really thought it's gonna, like, because it was our first time exhibiting here, and he was really supportive. So well, when we saw what the place where we were exhibiting, like the thought that came into my mind was it's managed by a person who is really hardworking and really supportive. So thank you, Mr. Vicky.